Episode 81. In the scrolls it is written. Jesus explicitly stated, "If you seek me, find a stone, find wood, or dig a hole." Today we will be discussing the stones inside planet Earth, the wood that lies on the floor of the planet, and the tree trunks of millions of trees, and last, digging a hole. The stones inside your planet are actually images of people engraved in and on the stones. Wind and rain do not shape the stones. The reason is, the stones are in fact information. The planet eats the stones in a perfect sequence to create images of people. I have highlighted in red in one of the presentations on your screen. After the planet shapes the stones, then the planet adds colors to the stones. The colors identify all the images of people. You will find people holding other people, images of people looking to the left, people looking to the right, images of people leaning over, images of people looking away, images of people just doing things like you and me in everyday situations. The science community dropped the ball big time on the design of everything. Your planet is keeping some sort of a record about everybody. Let's talk a little bit about digging a hole. If you begin to dig a 50 by 50 foot hole, let's say 500 foot deep, as you begin to dig, and stop every 50 foot, as you observe the walls of the hole, you will find images of people engraved into the walls of the hole. No matter what you do inside the hole, as soon as you stop, there will always be images of people. The planet's design from one end to the other is nothing but data, information, or knowledge. It is written, "If you seek me, find a stone, dig a hole, find wood, or split wood." You think this was just made up as a joke? One of the reasons you do not hear about this is simple. The preachers and priests, for some strange reason, cannot comprehend these parables. Someone in your past made a decision to keep this information from you. And let's not forget about wood. If you take a new sheet of plywood, then expose the wood to the elements of the planet, a process begins. Your scientist calls this process decay. The decay begins to eat away at the wood. But what the science community cannot understand is, what they think is decay is actually information eating away at the wood. Your planet sows colors into the tree trunk. But if you take the time to really observe this process, you will notice it is images of people. Your planet is a perfect design that was created. Your scientist, your priest, your preachers, and your scholars are looking for the magic bullet that will explain everything. What they are unaware of is that they all were born inside the magic bullet. Blind. The human mind has a problem seeing the true design of planet Earth. It's hard to find something you were born inside of. It is written, know the signs of your times. The signs are embedded into the design of your planet. When a society has teachers that are blind, this is called the blind leading the blind. Now we know the science community dropped the ball when it comes to the design of your planet. It makes no sense to start pointing fingers now. We just need to point the science community in the right direction. Last, I will say, the science community is going to need the help from the private sector to understand the true design of everything. And that will be you. Always remember, any information you obtain is good. You just add it to what you already know. You can never have enough information. And remember this. The knowledge you were born inside has no top or no bottom. Any way you turn your planet, it will always reveal information. But it will be different every time.